connected about this picture. Here, do you know this? Have you? Have you got a clue? Alright, so I'll give you the second clue. Have you got it? Right, so today we are going to continue our topic which is connected to both of this picture. So the topic is about announcement text. Are you ready? So here the explanation. Alright, today we are going to learn about announcement. So have you heard about announcement? Yes, announcement is something that we sometimes hear. For example, in your school, kayak pengumuman bel masuk kelas, atau if you go to the airport, kalian mendengar pengumuman waktu keberangkatan dan lain-lain. And then the definition of announcement is something that spoken or written or printed to let one know what has happened, or more of them, what will happen. Jadi, announcement adalah sebuah teks yang spoken, secara oral bisa dibicarakan, atau secara tertulis, atau dicetak. Jadi, announcement ini, there will be two parts. So, part 1 is adalah secara langsung, or spoken, and part 2 is written. So, jenisnya, announcement ini ada two. So, first is spoken and written. Jadi, kalau ditanya orang, what is, how many kinds of announcement text, there will be two. It will be spoken or written. Alright, this is the definition. Jadi, definisi dari announcement adalah sesuatu yang biasanya diucapkan atau tertulis untuk memberitahukan seseorang, giving information which is about has happened or will happen next. Alright, nah kali ini saya akan melihatkan kalian the generic structures of announcement. So, generic structures of announcement, there will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First is head. Biasanya announcement there will be a title. For example, ada tulisan announcement atau biasanya nama judul kegiatannya, acaranya, atau juga announcement aja. Bisa juga. And then next, it will be body or content. Biasanya setelah judul dia langsung straight to the point. Apa yang akan kita informasikan ke dalam si announcement ini tadi. Next, closing. Biasanya akan ada information tambahan ketika kita telah menjelaskan di awal. Kan di body and content, we will what is the telling information. Setelah telling information, kita bisa lagi kasih more information in closing. And sometimes biasanya akan ada tulisan writer. So last part is writer. So biasanya writer ini akan menuliskan nama yang membuat sebuah pengumuman. So itu tadi generic structure-nya, definisi yang sudah. So now on, we go to the example. So here guys, announcement committee school trip to Matahari on your beach. So kita bisa garis bawahi bahwa the title of this here. Alright, it's about announcement committee for school trip. So judulnya adalah tentang pengumuman untuk school trip. Right. Next one, there will be information. So the information will be start from on until 500,000, something like that. So this is it will be body. Right? And closing, it will be here. Closing. And here it will be writer. Ya, ini writer, ini closing, ini body, dan ini title. So ini example. Okay, so let's see another example of announcement. But before that, I want to tell you something to be considered in announcing something. Biasanya ada beberapa hal yang mungkin kita bisa pikirkan atau kita persiapkan sebelum kita mengannouncekan atau mengumumkan sesuatu. Yang pertama adalah kita harus straightforward. Jadi biasanya sifat dari announcement ini adalah dia akan to the point. What will you tell? For example, pengumuman school trip tadi. Look at this one. Langsung straight to the point. Where, time, and what happened. What will happen later. And next, Brief, inviting, out to the point. Biasanya dia langsung tujuan. Apakah dia inviting kah, atau give information kah, atau yang lain. And then biasanya clear and complete. Biasanya di dalam sebuah text announcement or announcement something like that, biasanya dia akan sangat benar-benar memberikan informasi secara jelas. Jadi itu salah satu sifat ketiganya. Terakhir adalah be direct. Biasanya dia akan mengumumkan langsung. Ya, bisa juga announcement yang bad, dia langsung teriakan what happened. Jadi dia nggak bertele-tele. Dia it should be straightforward, brief, clear, and direct. So this is some point that you may consider in announcing something. Alright, next one. Oke, for example ini ada contoh lagi. Missing, berarti ini adalah tentang bad news. Pengumuman tentang berita yang buruk bahwa seorang anak bernama dia telah hilang, dilaporkan telah hilang. Dan dia dijelaskan dianya, she has a short curly hair and dimples. When she smiled, she was last seen wearing a white shirt and a short. If you see a child who looks like a little girl in this picture, please call Mr. Jackley at 93333. Alright, so ini salah satu contohnya. Jadi dia kasih pengumumannya apa, judulnya apa, kehilangan, apa dan lain-lain. Okay, so guys. Kita see another example. For example, this one announcement to all students of class A8. Okay, the speaking task will be conducted on Tuesday, September 4, 2012. Time 7 to 8:20, room 1, etc. Well, that's the end of our explanation and also topic for today. It's about announcement. Well, guys, after this, you have assignment that I have provided you on iTunes. First, you have to open the posting, which title announcement, and then the title of subtitle is flight attendant, and then there will be video that you have to watch, and then there will be several questions that have provided you with the title of this. So, after you finish your job, please submit on iTunes with the title. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the class and please submit